Hi, myself Madhu Pathanipadam, founder and CEO SolarTech Renewable Energy Private Limited. Nowadays, you can see there are a lot of solar installations going on. The government, central government, MNRE, they are giving 60% subsidy for the solar installations. They are also supported by the banks. Their banks are giving a loan at 7% interest. So the solar installations are going on in a very high speed. You see in today's newspaper also you can see that Kerala has been number 2 in the ranking of all India ranking of the solar installations. So solar installations, a lot of people are going for solar installations. I had an incident where a customer came to me and he told that he had given the solar installation work or the project to a company and he had given some amount advance also. But unfortunately, that company did not turn up and there was no response from the company. And this person came to me asking for help. So we had to then install solar for him. And then that company, there is no address of that company. So in this video, I would like to give some suggestions to the customers or the individuals who are planning to install solar. First of all, they have to do is they have to visit the company's office. If some companies call you and they say that they can install solar for you, it is better that you go and visit their company. You can also speak to their employees and see how many years they have been in this field or how many installations they have done. So it is better to verify all these factors. Also, what they can do is they can also try to get the contact details of some of their customers or some of their clients for whom they have installed solar. Then with that numbers you can also speak to that customers or you can also speak to that people who have installed solar from this company. So you will get a better idea how the company is performing. So I think these are some of the factors that a person or an individual who is planning to install solar, they have to do these processes and see how is the performance of the company. Like our company, SolarTech Renewable Energy Private Limited, we have been into this field for last 12 years and we have more than 25,000 customers and we are also serving day in day out to these customers and our customers are very happy with our service. So like this, the customer has to just give a background check on the company before they give the order or they pay them upfront. The company might ask some advance. So before paying that advance, it is better to check, do a background check on this company and then give your order.